In 1933, a bank robber became so famous that the FBI created a whole new list just for him. John Dillinger was America's first public enemy number one. His gang didn't just rob banks. They returned it into military warfare, stolen police cars, bulletproof vests, Thompson machine guns, hitting banks in broad daylight like they owned the streets. But Dillinger's most legendary move happened in jail. Locked inside the escape-proof Crown Point prison, he carved a fake gun from wood, darkened it with shoe polish, then walked up to the guards and demanded they open his cell. It worked. The FBI launched the biggest manhunt in American history. Agent Melvin Purvis tracked him through safe houses across the Midwest. But Dillinger's downfall came from betrayal. A woman known as the Lady in Red sold him out to avoid deportation. On July 22, 1934, Dillinger walked out of a Chicago movie theater after watching a gangster film. FBI agents were waiting. 3 shots ended the most famous crime spree of the Great Depression.